let's get into this super cute Gyaru hairstyle that I came up with to kind of go with Mamushi. Hold on. Yes, our good old Mamushi Okane Kaseiku. That song? Yes. Well, actually, I came up with this before I even knew I was going to kind of match it with that song. But anyway, this is Zury Sis Lula in the color FF Red Pink, I believe. And it's such a super cute wig. I've had it for so long, didn't know what to do with it. And I was like, I should kind of create a cute little hairstyle with it. And so what I'm doing here is I'm taking the front section here and cutting it right by the tip of my nose. I'm going to create a little bang with that. I'm going to go ahead and curl it inwards. You can also spurt some water on synthetic hair before you curl it, just a little bit. That will help it to take shape a little bit easier. But here I am using the handle of my brush to make sure that the bang really stands up, if you know what I mean. Because if I let it just drop, then it kind of loses that oomph, that bounce. So I want it to keep that. And there I am, just trimming off that excess end there. It's whenever you're cutting bangs, it's always good to cut it way longer than you need it and then trim as you go along. Curl it, then trim as you go along. That way you know what you're working with, where it's gonna fall on your face. And yeah, as you can see, I left the part closer to the section closer to the part. I left it a little bit longer because I wanted it to have more of a swoop. So I kind of cut the bang at an angle, as you guys could see. And there I am cutting a little side bang as well. This hairstyle is super easy. Like, it looks like it would be complicated, but when you're dealing with a wig that's already like a pretty color, it's super easy. And I think this wig was really affordable. I think it was not even $20. And the fibers were really nice, super soft. I like the part that it came with. It was wide enough, not too wide, and you can always add concealer. And I just think the color blend is so special. It's super cute. Like, this would be perfect for Valentine's Day, but you know, it's alright. It's perfect as it is now. So here I am, just spritzing a little bit of water on the ends of the section that I just trimmed. And I'm curling it outwards to create a little bounce. And there I am making faces because this hair was hot. If you have like a little clip, that might be better to just clip it on the end right after you curl it. That way you can hold the clip instead of the hair itself. But I've been doing this so long, it's just something to get used to. And yeah, just using the Got To Be freeze spray to freeze this in place. You don't really need it with synthetic hair, but I do like to do it because I feel like it locks it into place faster. So now that section is done, we're gonna go ahead and tease the back section. I'm pulling forward the top half of the wig. If you have a wig head, you can do that on the wig head. I'm just like a little bit lazy sometimes, so I like to do it while it's actually on my head, so I can see how it works with my face. But yeah, I'm just using a teasing brush. I think I got from Walmart, a cheap one, nothing special, and just teasing. And then you're gonna see where I push everything back, I brush it down, make sure it's neat, and then I go back and I tease again. And yeah, just that process over and over. Get it as big as you want to. It's Gyaru, I mean, just go for it. If you're wearing it from day to day, then you don't even have to tease it. I think it's fine if you don't tease it. It's still a super cute wig. But yeah, if you're going for the full experience, I personally love teasing it. I feel like it just really gives it that oomph and it makes it super fun. And hairspray once again, just to allow the hair to stay in place and to stay neat. And that's pretty much it, you guys. I had such a ball with this wig. I love it so much. I just realized that I never posted this tutorial on YouTube, so hopefully this helps someone that's looking forward to, I don't know, getting into Gyaru style. I don't know, but it's a lot of fun. I think you should try it out. In terms of the makeup, I have a tutorial on that on my TikTok if you want to see how I did that. Oh, I forgot this part. Yes, I am adding some stickers I got from Michael's, these star stickers that are they already have the adhesive on the back. I love these stickers so much. They stuck to the hair easily, and then I had some star clips as well. Then I had these super cute clips from Amazon. They came in the pink color and it matched perfectly. Thanks for watching.